After trying this recipe, I only want to eat chicken this way. Cut 500 grams of chicken breasts into slices, then add mild paprika, black pepper, oregano, salt, 3 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of oil, and the juice of 1 lemon. Mix thoroughly. Remember, spices are to taste, and you can remove or add more. It's up to you. In a pan on medium heat, drizzle some oil. Then add the seasoned chicken. Pan fry one side, then the other. Write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'd love to know. Cover with the lid and leave it to cook for 5 more minutes. Then put the chicken aside. In another pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Add as well 1 tablespoon of flour and mix them together. Now add 500 mils of milk and keep mixing until it starts to boil and thicken. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, I love chicken. Let's continue our recipe by putting the chicken in this pan. Cover with the lid and leave it to cook on minimum heat for 10 minutes. And our recipe is done. The smell is amazing. I hope you liked the video. Now I'll reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.